Modern Honolulu by Diamond Resorts. Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys?
Cool. What's up, guys? What's going on? Let's go ahead and take a tour of the crib. This is a one-suite bedroom at the Modern Honolulu. I'm at the hallway right now. Let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. Can't wait to show you this. This is the one-bedroom suite. Take a turn here. We got the TV. We got the living room right there, the sofa. We requested the microwave. And here's a big mirror. All white. Check that out. Woo! Pretty cool, huh? Let's go into the first balcony. We've got a couple of balconies here on our room. Pretty nice marina view. That's Prince Waikiki right there in the back of me. Let's go into the second balcony. Let's see who we find there. We hear somebody. It's Michaela and... Woo! Happy anniversary to us. This is the balcony view. Pretty nice here. Now let's go into the bedroom. Where the magic happens. This is the bedroom area. So king size bed, TV. And cool thing about this is that you can actually open the window, feel the Hawaiian breeze. And as you can see, we also have a full view right there. That's Hilton Hawaiian Village over there. That's the lagoon. You can actually access that. It's for public access. So it's pretty cool. Nice view right here. And then let's go into the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the shower. I'm about 5'10", 170 pounds. Probably gained weight though because of all the Hawaiian food I ate. Probably 190 now, but that's okay. I'm on vacay, right? So this is the sink area, and this is the bathroom area. That way you can see how big it is or how small it is, depending on your size. So that's pretty much it. This is the bedroom area, and that's pretty much it. That's the tour of the crib, and I hope you like that one. Aloha, subscribe, please click the like button down below, and I hope you like this tour. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or issues. I can answer them for you really quick. So once again, click the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you later.